Hello guys, welcome to the iTunes Tax Plus channel on YouTube. Today in this lesson of CSS we will work with transition, how to add transition to a text or any element using CSS. Let's start. We have created our HTML file. We have added some basic codes in here. Now I want to add a dev class in here. Class, I want to name the class box. Now I save it. I don't need anymore in HTML. Now I come to CSS file. In CSS file, I want to add a style for my HTML. In here, first of all, I add box class. I want to add background color. From here, I come and take the green one. Now I add a weight for it. Height. I want to add margin for it because I want to add transformation for my element. Now I don't need this class. I don't need this. I want to add a style when I hover the mouse on it. To do this, simply I add box. Hover. Now I want to add my first transition. I add transform. I want to add the transform. Then I want to translate it. Translate 20px. Now if I hover the mouse on it, it will translate. But I can do it like this, translate X. It will translate the X, or I can add translate Y, translate it like this. But if I add like this, then I need to add 20px. This is for X and this is for Y. Now if I hover the mouse, it will translate it in here. 20px in X and 20px and Y. Now I want to comment this. Now I want to add another transformation that I can do with CSS. Transform. Now I want to add a scale. I want to make it 1.2. Now if I hover the mouse, it will get bigger. But if I make it 0.8, when I hover the mouse, it will resize and get smaller. Now I have another transformation that I can do, but before I want to comment this. Now I want to add transform. Then I want to make it skew. skew X. Now I want to make it skew 20 degrees. Now if I hover the mouse, it will skew, and I can do it for the Y to skew Y 25 degrees. Now if I hover the mouse, it will skew in Y2. Now I want to comment this and add another transformation which is so important for designers to do it. I want to add transform, then I want to rotate it 45 degrees. Now if I hover the mouse, it will rotate like this. This is what we can do with transformation using CSS, and we can make it we can change the color to like aqua. Now if I hover the mouse, it will change in the color and will rotate, but we have learned how we can change the color when we hover the mouse. It's a little bit about CSS that we can do this. Maybe one more lessons we will learn about what we can do using CSS. After this class, after CSS, and maybe tomorrow, when it ends, after this I have a master class, some professional tricks that we can do using CSS. Maybe most of the people do not believe that we can do this by CSS, but we will learn how we can do them by CSS. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and after 1 week, maybe earlier or later, I will start CSS masterclass. Subscribe to my channel, turn on bell ring, and get notified about our new classes.